Viasat disclosing its recently launched comm satellite suffering a major malfunction. The stock having its worst day ever. CNBC space reporter Michael Sheetz here to discuss. Michael, I understand malfunctions. 29% seems like a big drop. Why?
Well, this was the Viasat 3 satellite that was supposed to provide broadband service to all of North and South America. It was supposed to be a part of 3 satellites that gave the company new global broadband coverage. Now, the reflector on the satellite is malfunctioning, which means they might not be able to provide that service. My understanding is that Northrop Grumman made that reflector as well as the boom that's extending from it, and they're investigating alongside Viasat to see if they can recover it or whether this is going to be a very hefty insurance claim and a big setback to the company's plans.
Yeah, so what's the option here? You just launch another satellite, or that's not cheap, but it's cheaper than it used to be.
It is cheaper than it used to be, but when we're talking about satellites of this class, we're talking about some of the largest ever built and constructed. So this would be a great undertaking to replace. We're talking about 8 years in development just to get this one up. They have another 2 that are close to being finished. What they could choose to do is reallocate some of that asset, maybe sacrifice some of their coverage elsewhere in the world. But for now, they're going to have to do without until they can come up with a solution.
Now, why are we still here, right, with satellite launches where there's one, it's big, it's risky, and it's just up there? It seems like there have been so many little launches lately that we'd have like a cluster of 200 satellites up there doing what this does that are sort of fault tolerant. Is that what's coming, or do we have years to come of this, same hope it works scenario?
John, that's a great question, and the simple bottom line is that it's about the demand for data and broadband. There's so much demand right now that there's a really broadening in scope of how people provide that data from space. This is more of the traditional route that we're seeing with Viasat. They've been in business, and they IPO'd back in 1996. Today's their single worst stock drop since that day. And this is all really about the more traditional player trying to beef up their existing capabilities. But there's others like SpaceX's Starlink, Amazon's Project Kuiper, that are taking a different approach to providing that service and targeting different customers, going after directly more on the consumer side of the business as opposed to larger enterprise. I mean,
it's amazing. I'm taking a look at the chart. 2020, that drop, and then recently in summer of 22, it dipped below the levels where it dipped today. But given everything that's been happening with space launches and satellite technology, investors, certainly investors who are long, would have expected different. Michael Sheetz, thank you.